MSc Part 2, Semester 4. In that paper 2 or synthetic organic chemistry 2, the unit 3 selected method for the organic synthesis. The next part is the cryptons. There are some structure of the cryptons, the synthesis of a cryptons. Okay, so the cryptons are the cage like bicyclic molecule which are the like crown ethers, expect that they contain the additional shape. So cryptons are the 3D structure which can be incorporated positive ions into the spherical cavity within cage. These are the named depending upon the number of oxygen atom in each and NN linkage. So they have the more rigidity than the crown ethers, so they become the more rigid, which cryptons bind with its substrate. The cryptons is based on the similar size ring to the 18 crown 6, or thus cryptons shows the selectivity for the K plus ion over the other alkali metal ions. So the bicyclic crown ethers and the crown ether are the cycle of the higher order is a tri, tetra are called cryptons, and the complex form are called the cryptons, and the bicyclic crown cryptids, okay, complex is called cryptids. The bicyclic crown ether are the surrounded on the enclosed ion is a three-dimensional binding. It is more tightly than the monocyclic crown ethers. Okay, so linkage is a CSC and then NCNC. Okay, the tricyclic cryptons has been binding side is and the two spherical cavity and hence called spare, and the general cryptons then there is well defined. The three-dimensional cavity show the additional and more pronounced ability for the complexation, and these have been found to the complex within anion also. As compared to the monocyclic crown ether, the cryptons are better for the molecular recognition. The more Moulter rot type of the host, the strongest alternation occur when the combustion of with the guest caused by the smallest amount of distortion of the host. So properties of the firstly the three-dimensional interior cavity of the cryptons provide the binding site or knock for the guest ion. Then the cryptons for the complexes with a many harder cation including the NH4 plus lanthanides, alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. Then cryptons bind to the guest ion using the both nitrogen and oxygen donor. So that these three-dimensional encapsulation modes confirms from the size is the selectivity. Some application is there. The firstly, it is widely used in isolation of the Ag and Au means silver and Au means sonar, the metallic ions from the either respective ores. Widely application का आयसोलेशन सोनं आणि चांदी आयसोलेट करण्यासाठी यूज केलं जातं. ओके, मेटॅलिक आयनमधून. then second is it is a wide specifically compared to the separate radioactive pollutant from the aquatic source as well as the toxic waste from the aqueous solution. स्पेशली ह्याच्यासाठी रेडिओॲक्टिव्ह पोल्युटंट जे आहे ते सेपरेट करण्यासाठी ॲक्वियस सोर्समधून किंवा टॉक्झिक वेस्ट त्या ॲक्वियस सोल्युशनमधून सेपरेट करण्यासाठी यूज केलं जातं क्रिप्टंट्स. देन न्यूक्लिअर वेस्ट कॅन बी treated with the cryptons for reducing their impact for a surrounding. न्यूक्लिअर वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट केल्यासाठी ट्रीटमेंट केली जाते क्रिप्टन बरोबर. Then important drug system can be delivered with the help of cryptons to active site. important drug जे आहेत आपण रेग्युलर घेतले जाणारे ड्रग ते डिलिव्हर करण्यासाठी क्रिप्टन्स हे यूज केले जातात ॲक्टिव्ह साईटला डिलिव्हर करण्यासाठी. देन अमिनो ॲसिड आर आयसोलेटेड फ्रॉम द पेप्टाइड लिंकेज और बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल बाय यूजिंग द क्रिप्टन्स. अमिनो ॲसिड हे आयसोलेट करण्यासाठी पेप्टाइड लिंकेजमधून किंवा बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूलमधून आयसोलेट करण्यासाठी क्रिप्टनचा यूज केला जातो. देन हार्मफुल वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बायो फ्लुइड्स लाईक यूरिक ॲसिड युरिया कॅन बी सेपरेटेड बाय यूजिंग द क्रिप्टन्स. हार्मफुल वेस्ट जे आहे बायोफ्लुइडमधलं त्याच्यामध्ये युरिक ॲसिड किंवा युरिया असेल ते सेपरेट करण्यासाठी सुद्धा क्रिप्टन्सचा यूज केला जातो. दीज आर द सम ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ क्रिप्टन्स अँड सम इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द cryptons. There is a simple synthesis is there first in slide. The linkage is a nitrogen oxygen, oxygen nitrogen. Okay, the second structure is the same. So the K plus reacted with the K plus is a krypton is a in this cavity is present is a K plus. So the oxygen lone pair and nitrogen lone pair is a formation of the bond, and the K plus is a attract. These are the simple reaction method of preparation method of the cryptons. Thank you.